Welcome, friends. Again, I want to wish you a happy Valentine's Day. Want to share a little more information with you about our upcoming webinar tonight. I am so excited that the webinar is almost here. We go live tonight at 7 o'clock Central Time. So be sure to put it on your calendar. Don't forget. If you haven't seen any of the other broadcasts that I've done on this, then please go into my Bridgeport Strategy page or my personal page on Facebook and check those out. They'll give you more information about what's going on tonight and about how it can impact your business and how through impacting your business, you can also make the difference in the lives of others that you desire to make. So go back and watch those. Now, how I thought in this one I would share a little bit, give you a little preview of some of the things that are going to happen tonight, some of the things we're going to talk about. And in fact, I want to give you a little quiz right now. There are some generally accepted statements about business, and I want you to see if you can tell which of these are only myths and which are true. And I'll give you the answers tonight along with the reasons that they are either myths or true. So first one. 95% of all businesses fail within the first year. Within the first 10 years. 2, working in my business is the most important use of my time. 3, the salesman has the power in the buying-selling relationship. 4, I can just put an ad on Facebook and get traffic for my business. 5, my product is good for everyone. That means that my ideal client is everyone. And here's a bonus question for you. Is there something I can do with 20% of my time that will generate 80% of my revenue? Okay, so hopefully you can give those some thoughts and decide for yourself if they're truth or fiction. I'll tell you some of them are myths and some are true. You've just got to figure out which are which. All right, I also want to tell you 3 of the key points that I'm going to be sharing with you tonight. The first one is how to get a 658% return or improvement, an improvement in your net revenue without spending money on marketing and advertising. And I will tell you, it's easier than you think. 2, we're going to talk about one simple change that you can make that will improve your reach by 97%. Again, no additional marketing and advertising dollars necessary for it. And 3, how you can improve your sales by 34%, your revenue by about 30% by asking your customers one simple question. Now, that all sounds pretty easy, doesn't it? And all of those, sounds easy. No, sounds like, Regina, what the heck are you talking about? A 658% return, 97% improvement in my reach, and I don't have to spend more money on marketing and advertising? You must be out of your mind, Regina. Well, come tonight and find out. I'll share with you how those things work. Now, there's another area that's really important in terms of being successful in your business or even in starting a business, and that's your mindset. Most of us, if not all of us, have at one time or another been limited by our beliefs in ourselves or our situation. And this mindset can stop you dead in your tracks or prevent you from even starting to pursue your dreams. So I've partnered with an emotional fitness coach, Tyson Sharp, out of Australia. And Tyson is the developer of the Sharp method. And you may have seen an interview that I did with Tyson recently on Facebook. If you missed it, I'll post a link to it here so that you can go back and watch that interview with him. Tyson has agreed to share some of his knowledge and training with my students. And so I incorporate Tyson's work with my own because it's such an important first step to being successful is getting your mindset right. But he made a quick clip for us, a quick video that's just for you. Just for this audience, and I want to share that with you right now. So give me just a moment, and I'm going to cue up his video and play that for you. Just hang on just a second. Okay, so here we are at Tyson's video, and hopefully everything will work out properly.
Hey there guys, Untitled Chapter from Emotional Fitness Coaching. I thought I'd just jump on and say a few words because if you're the kind of person that wants more freedom, more income, and more impact, and you really want to start going after what you're passionate about, I'm sure you can see at some level that your mindset is the key. Right? If you follow all those big business owners, all those huge influencers, all of them will tell you 80% of your success comes down to your psychology, and 20% comes down to the tools, tactics, and strategies. And why is that? Well, I've seen it myself. After coaching over 160 online business owners one-on-one in the last few years, I've noticed the patterns of those who stay stuck for 6, 12, 18 months, compared to those who succeed out of their skin. Right? And I can tell you, there's some patterns, and it comes down to nothing more than the patterns of how you think, how you feel, and how you act. Right? The question is, are your patterns of how you think, feel, and act leading you to the results that you want? Right? Are they leading you to break through those challenges, to tackle those obstacles with more passion, more love, more curiosity, right? More patience, more determination, more resourcefulness? Or is it allowing you to stay stuck in fear, overwhelm, frustration? So this is the kind of question we need to ask ourselves. And the key area is a lot of these patterns are unconscious. That is the exact reason why the vast majority of people go out there and they will not succeed. They'll get the same results time and time and time again. So it is my pleasure as a coach to help you uncover those unconscious patterns so you know exactly what to shift to start getting what you're actually after. I really look forward to it, guys. Thank you very much.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. Tyson has partnered with me. As I said, we have a course. He has a course that's inside of my membership program, and also the interview that I did with him. We have made that available to folks as well. It was a powerful training interview. We spent the first 20 minutes or so in interview process, and then the rest of it, which was about another hour, was Tyson just training. So I look forward to being able to provide you those materials as well. So to wrap up, the link to the webinar will be here somewhere on this page. It's free. It's about 90 minutes long. And if you have any questions, you can put them in the comments below or send me a private message and I'll answer your questions. Keep an eye on my posts today as I bring you more information about the webinar and some tools and resources that you can apply in your business right away. Again, the link for Tyson's video here on Facebook will be posted below, as well as the link to register for the webinar. And I look forward to seeing you in the webinar tonight. If you have a desire to change lives and you need to know how to do that, and you need to know how you can make your dream come true, then you need to be on this webinar tonight, because I'm going to pull back the curtains and show you a lot of things that will make a difference in your business and your ability to be able to make that difference that you want to make. I look forward to seeing you tonight. There will be a couple more videos yet today, so be sure and watch for those. And have a wonderful day. Again, happy Valentine's Day.